Hey guys, what's up? Back with another quick video review on my trades today. First trade was in Walmart. I had a a weekly level. You can see it here in TradingView, and no, not there. Daily. I had a weekly level here, and I kind of refined it on the 1 hour in and around the 158, 159 area, and what happened this morning is it popped up, rejected R3, and I shorted it on the way down, partialing, and in and around this area, around the 157.50, DAS lost data, and I pretty much shit my pants. I was short, and because I was partialing, when I partial and I used the script in DAS, it removed my stop, so I was short without a stop. Although I have max loss or my risk set up with DAS where it'll immediately exit myself, I found myself panicking. This is the first time it's happened trading live. And so I grabbed my phone, got into IB, and I got to the area where I could cancel or close all positions, and DAS popped back up. And this is when the data did come back in, I did exit position full. But it did come down to where I intended. My stop was a little wider, and I thought I could hold it to the 157.50 area. Unfortunately, the market turned, and the other trade I had was I was looking at CCL, and it did a nice beat reversal. But I liked RCL, and the reason I took this for a reversal was it was at ATR or 80% ATR. It was off a nice 60-minute level, and I look for a nice volume push, and nothing was happening. Typically, I like to see a fake break with volume, and you can see right here, after it bounced off this 99.97 level, there was a volume push right here. That's where I entered short, and I wasn't sure if this was going to bounce on the 9 on the 5, which is normally my target for these intraday. So I added into the position because I've seen some asks stacking on the L2, and took a partial here at VWAP, and then it just looked, the market was kind of weird this morning. It was range bound from around this area until 11, and I just exited the position. I was still kind of shaky from the losing data with DAS. I am green, and followed all my rules, and that's all that matters. Anybody has any questions, leave a comment below. You can DM me on Instagram or Twitter, and yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Peace.